Hello, this is Jun from the Zeta DLC Unit Japan. Today's product is a unit, swing arm lift stand mini size. This is designed for the small hory bikes, 8 to 12 inches, and you can easily to lift up your rear wheel for the cleaning your wheels, 12 chains, and looping a chain. Before you using this stand, turn your handlebar on the stand side and lock your front brake by zip tie or rubber straps. You can adjust the length by the turning the bolt and make sure to tighten the nut. And the top is covered by rubber for the will not damage your swing arms. And just set to the under the swing arms and make sure the base foot is close to your tire as much as you can, and just lift up.